Hello everybody.
A birthday cake, cause it's my birthday today.
Yes, it is.
Birthday to me.
Okay, so that was pretty straight. Okay, let's go for the birthday cake because today it's Margot's birthday. So let's start and try to make it this very quick. Obviously, cakes have a sort of, cylinder shape. So let's start
Do
with,
it as cute as you can, cause it's my birthday.
of course, we always do cute stuff.
No, more cuter than the usual.
So this could be, the lower level, like having it this way, and we close the cylinder this way. Then we can have another layer or floor, whatever you want to call it, on top, like having it this way, and same on the other side. Like, be sure to make it creamy, let's say. And okay, we're gonna have a third one, like having one this way and putting it here and having a little bit here, and I'm leaving space because I want to put a little candle on it. No, I want to put a candle in here. So
7, say it's 7.
okay,
I'm
a
7.
candle with a 7. Yeah, that's
I'm
fine.
turning 7.
That's fine. So let's have it this way. Simple,
Yay! We'll
simple
start.
7.
We'll
Mhm.
start.
The star. Where? Oh, inside you mean the stars? Okay, let's put just one here. I am very bad to draw stars. Always been, yeah. Yep, actually I am.
Great.
And yeah, we can put a cherry eventually. Okay, you asked for it. We can put a
Even
cherry.
though I don't like cherries.
Why?
I tasted one before.
No, cherries are very good.
Wait, actually I did like
Yeah, you did. So a little,
2 cherries.
And then we have obviously the plate. No, before chicks. It's not like everything related to chicks.
Everything is related to chicks.
We have the plate here. Yes, that's perfect. And okay, let's go with the little details. For instance,
Cheeks?
no, we can have the cream in here like that, and obviously cream in here. Oh, you know what? There is this hole here. We can actually make the cream to go out in there. Yes, that's very good. And a few lines, here and there, just to cover the thing, like a few circles to make it more detailed. And obviously we have the place where the candle is, and eventually candles have to be highlighted. No, have to be highlighted. So we have a little flame on top as well.
Big, because we're big
Mhm.
boys. Except for big.
Yeah. And yeah, we were saying about the plate. Let's detail it as well. Oh, come on. Give me a break. Now we are going to
I'm obsessed with cheeks.
let's go doing the face at this point because it looks like
Cheeks.
before cheeks we have to do the face, Margot. So let's make it very smile because
It's my birthday.
exactly. So as usual we're
finished
going
this
with the tongue. Yeah, but you let me explain how things are going here in the video. So we did the mouth in here, and then we have 2 big eyes, one here and the other one like here. Yeah, that's perfect. And obviously reflections, and another here, and so we have something here, another here, and we are going to, cover everything in black so we can see the reflection in it. And almost there.
Hurry up. Cheeks.
Almost there. Oh, this is very cute. So let's go with the cheeks.
Yeah, finally.
And the cheeks can be one
Pink.
here. Yeah, of course, one here.
Why can't they be red?
Oh, they could be red, but
Pink are more cute.
yes. And eventually this time we can do even the usual little line.
You never.
Okay.
This is the third time that you do this stuff.
The lines.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? It's good enough for your birthday?
Yes.
Yes, it is. It's very cute.
I
So,
told you to make it cuter.
guys, this is our birthday cake. I hope you enjoyed it.
For me.
Yeah, it's for Margot and for you whenever, it's your birthday. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learn how to draw it and just practice, practice, practice. And we will see each other in our next video. Bye!
Bye.